Hi, this is Mark Pizzacalla and welcome to What You Need to Know with Dr. Mark for Legalwise. What I want to talk about today is ATO audits, and I get questions all the time what's involved with an ATO audit and the things that I would recommend. So I want to talk a little bit about that. And the first thing I'd say about it is that, well, we're not in the 1980s. And what I mean by that is that, there's increased transparency, there's increased data matching. The ATO has better processes and procedures in place. And so risks are capable of being identified much, much quicker than what they ever were. And so as a business, you also need to up your game and have processes and procedures in place which really reflect the size of your business. If you're a small business, obviously you'll have lesser procedures in place, but as you grow, then you will need to keep up with that growth. So one of the ways of doing that is to have a tax governance framework. And what a tax governance framework is, it's a document that really articulates how the business deals with tax, how it mitigates risk, what the process is when someone within the business finds out that there might be an error somewhere and they report it, maybe to whoever their direct report is, who then might let the accountant know. And if it's serious enough, it'll come straight up to the owner of the business to take care of. So this process is critical because it just signals to the ATO that you're serious about tax mitigation and you're serious about paying the right amount of tax. The other thing that you can do is a mini tax due diligence or financial due diligence on your business over the last few years, just to see, have you captured everything? Have you done the right things along the way? It could be issues in relation to payroll that you want to take a deep dive into. Superannuation, critical that's paid on time because it's a director liability if it's not paid on time, where directors are personally responsible for that. Or whether it's other things such as a review of fixed assets or trading stock. So doing that process of due diligence also means that it enables you to identify opportunities as well, in terms of, well, what could you be doing better? Have you maximised the opportunity that the tax system can afford you in terms of minimising your tax? So look, that's all I want to talk about today. Quite often these issues come to me at the last minute and when it's all too late and nothing can be done. So make sure that doesn't happen to you. Speak soon.